In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Etsy to IFTTT in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. IFTTT lets you create simple automations called applets that connect your Etsy shop with other apps like Google Sheets, Gmail, or social media. Now, if you want to connect Etsy to IFTTT, here's what to do. Start by going to the IFTTT website and logging into your account or creating a new one. Next, click on Explore and search for Etsy to see available triggers and integrations. After that, select Etsy and connect your account by signing in and authorizing access so IFTTT can read your shop data. Then, create a new applet. Choose Etsy as your trigger service and select an event like a new order or a new listing. Now, move to the action step. Choose the app where you want to send your Etsy data, such as Google Sheets, email, or notifications. After that, configure the action. For example, you can log orders in a spreadsheet or send alerts whenever you get a new sale. Then, map the data fields. You can send details like order ID, product name, customer info, or price from Etsy to your selected app. Next, test the applet to make sure everything is working correctly. Finally, turn on your applet. Once activated, Etsy events will automatically trigger and perform your selected action in real time. Keep in mind that IFTTT has limited Etsy triggers compared to other automation tools, and some features may require a pro plan. That's it. By connecting Etsy to IFTTT, you can automate simple tasks and manage your shop more efficiently without manual work.